Hello everyone, very good afternoon, evening to everyone. So welcome to Oliveboard, and here we are with the live mock solution of this last week's IB ACIO test, right? So without any further delay, let's start with our session. But again, before I start, let me just quickly point out to this. So this is the new Eduquity pattern. This is your new Eduquity pattern compilation course. This is, you see, in our courses section, you will find this SSC exams new Eduquity pattern available in both English as well as the English medium students. So available for you, both of you guys. So again, what is there in this course? If you go into this, so all the topics that were not that important for CGL tier 1, but again has become, we have seen in the selection phase examinations, the questions, they are asking a lot of questions from these topics in the selection, just recently concluded selection phase exams. So we have kind of made a compilation, topics like probability, topics like coordinate geometry, topics like statistics, a few live videos, few live classes, few live few recorded contents. So we have made a compilation of everything, and we have put that under a new umbrella called SSC exams new Eduquity pattern. So again, it will be a very good way to cover the new topics if you have not covered the new patterns yet. So please do check that out. It is not available for purchase. It is already freely available for our super elite users. So again, that was something I wanted to mention. Now, with that being out of the way, let us focus solely on our live mock solution. So this will be the first question of the day of this week's mock. Chalo sir, let's try this. First things first. Expand a cube. A cube means this will be whole cube. A minus b whole cube. So first things first. It will be this thing cube, a cube minus b cube. So 8a cube by b cube. That means this first term minus b cube by a cube. This has to be there. And now use the options to your advantage. So this is not there. So this option A cannot be my answer. This is 8b cube. So again, sir, option B cannot happen because this must be the first two terms. Again, so this is there. Yes, this is there. This is there. So C and D I cannot eliminate just right now. Now let's move on. 3a square b. Sir, a cube minus 3a square b. 3a square means 2. That means sir 4a square. And b is sir this one sir. And b is sir what? Minus, or rather I can directly say b by a. Now if you calculate sir, so this is giving you 3 fours are 12 a by b. 12a by b, 6a by b cannot happen. So my answer will be D. My answer will be D. I don't need to do the whole thing. My answer I can get from only the third term. So that is D. You see, very easily I can do that in 30 seconds. I don't need any more seconds than that. Chalo, next question, sir. Next question, sir. Chalo. The number of boys in section A and B are in this ratio. Perfect. Number of boys in both the sections is this. Acha, sir. So totals are 17 parts, 8 ratio 9. 17 parts is 51. So that means every part is 3. So that means boys in section A, that is sir 8 threes are 24. Boys in section B, it is 9 threes are 27. That much we understood. Now the number of girls in section A is 10 more than that. So girls in section A, 10 more, that is 34. And number of girls in section B, it is 40, sir. Which of the following is true? The difference between the number of boys in section A and number of girls in section B. Boys section A, girls section B is 16. Yes, sir, 16. So that's correct. Second statement, ratio of number of girls in section A, the 34, to that of the boys in B. So 34 ratio 27. So this is incorrect, sir. This is 32. So this is not correct. This is correct. Only option 1 is correct, or only statement 1 is correct. That is your option number A. Sir, very simple question. Very, very, very simple stuff. Hopefully this is clear. Hopefully, sir, this is absolutely, absolutely clear. Next one, find a cone. Sir, volume of a cone, you will say, sir, for this we go for 11 multiple. But, if you take a look at this, as I can see, sir, 1331, definitely a 11 multiple, 11 cube. So this is also a 11 multiple, minus 1 plus 1. 11 multiple. Sir, 11 multiple, 1331 plus 11 is this. This one minus 1, no, so this is not a 11 multiple. So first things first, this is eliminated. Options, acha sir, no, sorry. This is also a 11 multiple, sir. This is also a multiple of, so minus 4 plus 4. It is also, all four options are 11 multiple. So that won't work. Sir, height, slant height is 25. So we need something else. Either I have to do this or some other concept. Sir, volume is 1/3 into pi into r square into h. Sir, h I don't know. I know L, slant height is given, radius is given. So can I say, if this is 25 and this is 7, then h must be 24, sir. Because 7, 24 and 25, they are what? They are actually your Pythagorean triplets. So one simple thing, it's absolutely pouring, okay, out here in Kolkata. So again, if like some connectivity or some sound issue, you might see here. So please pardon me for that. Achha. So now 1/3 and 24, if you cancel, it will be a 8. So again, my answer has to be a multiple of 8. So let's now check once again. Sir. Sir, 1331 cannot be, because odd number can never be a multiple of 8. Sir, 342. 8, so this is not a multiple of 8. Why? You see, 8, 3 is like, check for 8. Sir, 4 8s are 32, and sir, 22 is not multiple. Sir, 562, sir, 56 is multiple, but 2 is not multiple. So my answer, only possible answer can be this. Let's check though. So 1672, yes sir, it's multiple. So again, I will say with the divisibility rule of 8, option A can be the answer only. Option A can be the only answer. So again, we can skip our calculation with the, like, by checking the multiple rule. Chalo aur ek bar. Now let's come. Buy is the property for 100,000, 42 lakhs. In 2015, if her property's worth increases by 7% every year, okay, then how much it is worth in 2017? Meaning after 2 years. After 2 years, sir. Acha. Now again, you can calculate, or again, you can do one thing. Look at the options, sir. The options are pretty far apart from each other. So that means that gives us the license to approximate. Sir, AB theorem, if we apply, I'm not asking you to do everything. 2 years means, sir, 14, and A into B by 100 will be another 1 point some percentage, meaning, sir, it will be 15%, around 15% increment on 42. Sir, 42 lakhs ka 10% will be 4.2 lakh or 4 lakhs. And 15% will be or 5% will be another 2 lakhs. So it will increase by 6 lakhs almost. So 42 and 6 lakhs, my answer will be a little more than 48 lakhs. Option mein hai, sir. So there is only one option that is close to that 48 mark. That has to be my answer. You don't need to check, because their other options are too close, too little. And the bigger answer is, it is much more. It is absolutely absurd, right? So just use the idea. Not everything needs to be calculated. That is what I'm trying to say. Not everything needs to be calculated. Perfect, sir. Chalo, next one. Kuch overtaking meaning, sir. Kuch relative speed. We will talk about some relative speed, sir. Let's see. Bus moving at this speed overtakes this much ahead, same direction in 60 seconds. The speed of the truck. Sir, same direction. Sir, let's see. 300 meters by 6. अच्छा, sir, एक काम करते हैं. Sir, 300 distance is equal to speed. Speed is relative speed, sir. 90 minus speed of the truck is, I don't know, I'm taking X, right? So bus is overtaking, so bus speed of the bus will be higher. So, but sir, into 5 by 18 also I must do, because everything is in meter and this time is in seconds into time. Why? Because speed into time gives you distance. We all know. So just calculate, sir. 18, 6 tens are this, 6 threes are this, 0, 0, 5, 6. So this 3 will come. 18, x will become, sir, 90 minus 18. That means 72, right? X is 72, sir. That is in kilometer per hour. हाँ, गड़बड़ हो गया क्या, sir? Have we made an error? Have we made an error, sir? 90 kilometer per hour, same direction, minus x. 5 by 18, कैलकुलेशन में कुछ गलत किया क्या? 18 6 threes, 6 tens, 0 0 gone. So let's do once more, sir. 300 meter distance, because in order to overtake this 300 meter they need to go, and that will be overtakes a truck. So truck ka speed I don't know, 90 minus, let's say x. Okay, so again I have to convert that into meter per second, kilometer per hour into meter per to meter per second. Okay, into, sir, speed into distance. So this is 5. कुछ हम गड़बड़ कर रहे हैं. 90 minus x is equal to 18. So x is giving me 90 minus 18. Again, I'm getting 72 only. But 72 is not there in the option. The 72 is not there in the option. ये तो होना नहीं चाहिए, sir. So let me just check once. Into 18 by 5 कर लो ना एक बार. Sorry, 18 by 5 क्यों? 5 by 18. 25 meter per second. 25 minus x into 60. That should be 300. That is 5, sir. So x ka speed is 20, sir. So into 18 by 5, if you do 5 fours of this, sir, again we are getting 72 only. Sir, there is some problem. There is some problem in the option. There is some definite problem in the option. I don't know. I can view the solution. Bus and the truck. 300. What a calculation. 300 by 60 is 10. Wow. And we are kind of stuck. We are kind of stuck. 300 by 60 equal to 10 they have written. ठीक है? And we are kind of stuck. Yeah, क्यों option नहीं हो रहा है? So the answer to this question will be 72. The answer to this question will be 72. ठीक है? We have done it correctly only. We have done it correctly only. So again, I'll talk to the team about to the content team about this. So there was a mistake in the question. So again, you can add one. If you have attempted this question, you can all add 1 mark to your question. You can all add 1 mark to your whatever you have got. Pipe A can fill in this. Pipe B can fill in this. C is a waste pipe outlet. This is an outlet, sir. If all 3 pipes are open together and can empty the cistern in this, then how long, sir? Let's do. Sir, A, B, and also given is A plus B plus C. Right? So times are 45. So A is 1 by 45. B is, sir, 1 by 135. and A plus B plus C, all three together is 1 by 54. Cancel na sir. Why? Because efficiency ratio is 1 by time ratio. So 9 se I guess jayega. 9 se, sir, 5 nines at this, and so this is 15 nines at this. This is 6. So you can multiply this with, I guess, 90 say 90, 15 means already this is there, 30 say, so 30 say 30 is LCM, 30 से multiply करता हूँ. So 30 means this will be 6, this will be 2, this will be 5. This is the efficiency ratio, sir. This is efficiency ratio. And from there you will find the efficiency of C. Meaning A and B together, they are like kind of bringing in 6 plus 2, 8 liters of water, and C is then pushing out 3 liters of water per minute, sir. Minus 3, that is why I'm writing. Minus means it is an outlet pipe, that's all. Now, how long the waste pipe will take to empty the full cistern? Sir, what is the full volume? Full volume you can take, sir, let's take A only. A is filling 6 liters a minute and taking 45 minutes to fill. This is the full volume. By, sir, it is 3 liters per minute. So this much time. So that is 90 minutes. The answer will be, sir, 90 minutes. Option number A. Option number A, 90 minutes is definitely your correct answer. Next one, sir. LCM ले लो. Sir, numerators, if they are asking LCM, take the LCM of numerators. So if you have taken 35, no need to take 7. So it is actually 35 and 13. 13 is prime. So it is 35 into 13 only, sir. 35 into 13, sir. 35 tens are 350. 35 into 3, sir. 35, 70 and 35, sir. 100, 105. So that is 450, 455. Sir, 455 kahan par hai? So dekho, only one option is having 455 there in the numerator. That's your answer. That is your answer. Khatam, sir, khatam. So 455 by 2, option D. Because you see, I have not taken the, so it would be the complete will be HCF of the denominators. That will be by 2. So that is why by 2. Done, sir. Next. Sir, mode. Mode means the most repetitive term. Again, I will check from options. Always do this. Otherwise, for bigger data like this, it will take it will eat your time. Sir, let's see 3, 2, 1. So 3. How many 3s, sir? How many 3s you can find? Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. Any 3s this side or 3? 3? No, sir. So only 4 3s I have. I'm just writing out here. How many 2s you can see? 2 here, 2 here, 2, 3, 4. 4 2s, sir. 4 2s. Ones, how many ones, sir? 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here. Sir, 4. How many zeros, sir? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Sir, once I get more than 4, that means that is my answer. That means that is my answer. Because it is more than greater than 4, so it has to be my answer. So always only check with the options. Don't go for everything. That will take you more time. Perfect. Which of the following statement is correct? Chalo, let's see. Which of the following statement is correct? A boat covers 45 km upstream and return in 8 hours. Speed of the boat X is this, Y is this. Sir, 45 upstream, 45 by X minus Y, meaning sir 12 minus this 9 plus 40. Return means, so that will be 15. So 3 hours here and this will be 5 hours. Total, sir, 8 hours. That is given? Yes, sir. So first statement is always correct. So meaning, sir, my answer can be either A or C. B and D I can eliminate right away. Now, second one, upstream and downstream speed is this. Sir, X, sorry, this is U and this is D, sir. Difference between the distance at downstream and upstream. Sir, I have done a blunder. Okay. Yeah, I've just zoomed in a little bit more. So I'm just difference between the distance traveled. difference between the distance traveled at downstream and upstream speed in 4.5. Acha, chalo sir. So distance traveled in 4.5 hours. So 18 into 4.5 minus 10 into 4.5. That is how much? So you see the difference is 8 into 4.5. So that means this is 9 into 4, 36. So it is not 37, sir. So this one's wrong. So option A is correct. Only one. Option A is correct, sir. Only one statement is correct. Only one statement is correct, sir. Next one. It's a good question. Very good question. Infinite GP, I can see. Sir, you see, please understand, sir. This is an infinite GP. Sir, if you take, you can do it from this line, or the better way, sir, this is 1, 3 to the power 1. Sir, power, we all know a to the power m into a to the power n. It is a to the power m plus n. Powers gets multiplied, like added. So this is 3 to the power 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27 plus. So this will continue till infinite. Now, please understand this whole thing. This is an infinite GP, see, where the value of R, the common ratio is 1/3. Correct? This is 1/3 is the common ratio. So just go with that value. Just go ahead with that value. So what will that be? So, sum of infinite GP, if you don't know, S infinite is A by 1 minus R. It comes, the derivation comes from the normal infinite GP formula for like mod R less than 1. Okay, 1 minus R to the power n by 1 minus R. R to the power n becomes 0. So 3 to the power, so what is A? A is 1 by 1 minus R, that is this. So 3 to the power, sir, 1 by, this is 2 by 3. So that is 3 to the power 3 by 2. That's your answer. 3 to the power, 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 means 3 root 3 actually. Okay? So my answer will be option number C. Option number C is my correct answer. Very, very, very simple. Very simple question. So again, a ratio based question. Age ki jagah height leke. So this is actually an age based question. They have just changed the like data from age to height. Very smart. Ratio of heights of Amit and Bharat. So this is this. So Amit, I'm taking 10x. Bharat, I'm taking 9x. Why? Because I can see increase in height they are asking. They're not asking the age or sorry, the height of Amit or Bharat. So I cannot use the ratio. So I have to calculate. That is why I'm kind of starting with the ratio. I told you, if you cannot use the shortcut, start with the ratio. That's the best way. The height of Amit increased by 20. Bharat became as tall as Amit was 2 years ago. After 2 years, height of Amit increased by 20 centimeter. So Amit's height becomes 10x plus 20. Okay. And Bharat becomes as tall as Amit 2 years ago. 2 years ago. So Bharat has become what? Amit jaisa. That means Bharat's height is now 10x. 2 years ago, whatever was Amit's height. Right? Now this height, the ratio is 9 by 8. So chalo, let's calculate. I know, if you can calculate, so 5 nines are 45x. It is equal to 40x plus 420s are 80. 5x is 80, x equal to 80 by 5, 16. They are asking, what is the increase in the height of Bharat? Sir, height of Bharat increased by x, na? Bharat's height was 9x, now it has become 10x. Increase is x. So meaning that is 16 only. So the answer option C is the correct answer. Option C, that is your correct answer, sir. Option number C. Next one, sir. Percentage distribution of population of 5 cities. Okay. What is the ratio of population of K and M to N and O? So I don't need total. K and N. अरे ले ले भाई. K and M. K is what? This one. And M this. So 17 plus this, so 29 ratio. N and O. N. 21. O is a 22. So 43, sir. 29 ratio 43. है क्या? Yes, sir. Option D. Option D. It's very simple. Just you need to look. You just need to look. Factors of this. Acha, sir. It's a vanishing method question, but sir, if we want to solve it using vanishing method, it will take a lot of time. So just by looking at the options, first thing that strike my mind, sir, this x plus 1 is common in all four options. That means I can like close my eyes and say x plus 1 is definitely a factor, right? So that means there are two ways now. So x plus 1, for this I won't check. Now if you are good in division, so you can do this x plus 1 and divide this. If you are comfortable doing this is not very difficult, hardly takes you 20-30 seconds. And you will get the answer directly. You will get a quadratic and you can like factorize in 2 seconds. But if many I know, they are not very comfortable doing this. So for them, chalo aur thoda dimag lagate. Now you are left with, sir, either plus 5 or minus 5. Plus 5 or minus 5. Now if it is minus 5, that means I'll put x equal to 5 or I'll put x equal to minus 5. I'll see which one gives me 0. Chalo na sir, baitha ke dekhte. Let's try and see. Sir, if I put x equal to 5, this is 125 plus 25 and this 75. Sir, from this thing only, I can see, sir, never this minus part can give you equal value to this plus part. Plus part is way too big. This plus part is way too big to be 0. So plus 5 ho hi nahi sakta. Meaning, sir, it has to be minus 5. Sir, minus 5 means either my answer will be this or my answer will be this. I can eliminate now these two. Understand, sir? Understand, sir? Dekho, how I'm eliminating. Now I'm left with one more question. It is plus 3. It is plus 3 here and it is minus 3 here. Chalo, let's check. Let's check, sir. So I'll now check for the same thing. It can be x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 3. Put 3 here, sir. 3 cube is 27 plus it is also 27 minus 39 minus 15. So this is 54 and this is also 54. Sir, this is 0. That means plus 3 is correct. Minus 3 is not correct. So plus 3 means I'll take minus 3. So here my correct answer is option C. My correct answer is option C. Just by putting values. Again, we are not putting values as a वैसे. We are putting values with some logic in mind. We have some goal in front of us. We are checking like this. We found our answer. We found our answer. Sir, positive, negative, sir. Simple. Minus something to the power positive, like even power. It is positive, sir. Sir, this is odd power. This is negative. Plus into minus is minus. So this is positive. It is wrong, sir. Sir, this is again. This is negative, sir. Because odd power minus. So again, this is negative. By negative is positive. It is given negative. Wrong, sir. So neither 1 nor 2 is the correct answer. Neither 1 nor 2 is your correct answer. Khatam. Sir, average question. Very simple. Average of 25 numbers given. So total is, I'm doing it very normal way. Okay. First 16 numbers is this. So total is, last 8 numbers, sir. Total is 17th number पूछा है, sir. So that means this is total. Sir, this is total. Sir, here you will see 17th number is carried forward twice. So in दोनों से minus this. Because 16, 24, एक second. 25, no sir, sorry. In that case, you just, 25 they have told you, na? So you do this. You do this one minus this one. So that is what you do. So this is just you do. So again, if you calculate, sir, it's not that difficult. 11.75, 1175, right? 1144.75 minus, sir, 460 plus, sir, 46 into 6. 46 times 6. Sorry, 6. So this is 240, 36. 408, sir. 868, 276. 868, 276. 114, 111. Sir, 1175 minus 44. So 31 is the answer. 31, option number C is the answer. 31, option number C. Again, you could have done it a little easier as well, like conceptually difficult, but calculation wise a little easy. But again, this was not very difficult calculation as well. Achha. Different fruits sold by this, difference between total quantity of guavas sold by all vendors to total quantity of oranges sold. Total guava minus total orange. Sir, better you take the difference only. I'm taking orange is always greater. So this minus this. So this is plus 80. This is minus 10 because I've taken orange is greater. So please mention this. This is minus 20. Achha, rather let me write here. Plus 80 minus 10 minus 20. This is plus 20. This is plus 40. So this is the difference. 110, sir. 110 will be the answer. You see, option B. Option B is the answer, sir. Option B is the answer. That's the best way. Again, if you think, sir, I'll calculate this first sum, then I'll calculate this, then I'll difference, sir, calculation will be lengthier. Your calculation will only be lengthier, sir. Sir, divisible by 345. 345, that means 60 is the LCM. Because and is there, meaning all three. It has to be divisible by all three of them. Right? Sir, again, between, meaning 250 and 600 not included. Sir, after 250, the first number divisible by 60 is 300. Do it manually. You don't need anything. 360, 420, 480, 540. Then 600, I'll not take it. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, answer is option C, 5. Answer is option number C, which is 5. Khatam. Khatam, sir. Next one. Ratio given, HCF given, sir. Sir, numbers are 4x, 3x. Sir, HCF I can see. Sir, common part is x. That is 12, sir. LCM of the numbers will be what, sir? You tell me. Sir, x I'll take and 4 and 3 meaning 12 I'll take. This is the LCM. This is the LCM. That means, sir, 12 into x I just found out to be 12. So your answer will be 12 square 144. That's your answer. Option number A. Dekho, it's not very difficult. It is again not very, very difficult. Very simple. Next one, sir. Kidu. Baap re, kya acha naam hai. Left with 490 after spending 30%. Sir, what total sum? Sir, meaning 30% if he spends, he or she. I don't know. He. Chalo. So that means he is left with 70%. 70% is 490. So I need 100%. 100% ka value originally. So this 0, 0, 7, 7. So he had 700 rupees. 700 rupees, that is option A. So last few questions of this particular test was very, very easy. So last question of the day. This much simple interest, 5% per annum. T years amounts to this. Array, sir. Sir, open your eyes. This is 2x. 26 twos are 52, 240 twos are 480. 2x, 100% interest mila hai. They have got 100% interest. The value of t, meaning 100%. Sir, 5% per annum interest. In how many years you will get 100% interest? Sir, in 20 years. 5 into 20. You will get 100% interest. So t is equal to 20, sir. We are talking about 20 years. That is option number C. That is again option number C, sir. And that was your 20th and the final question. I hope you guys have loved this. So again, once more before I go, happy Independence Day to everyone. I hope you have loved the solution. These techniques that I'm showing you guys, please, please, please try to use this. Give a conscious effort of using this. These solutions, I do this so fast just because so that you guys can also replicate. Okay, with a little bit of practice, you guys will also be able to think in these fashions. Okay, so again, thank you so much. I hope you loved this. So again, if you have, please do hit that like, and if you have any queries, anything, please feel free to use the comment section down below. So again, I'll see you guys next week. Till then, please take care and thank you so much. Bye bye.